Did you know that just 5 minutes of cycling a day can transform your body and your health in ways you never imagined? From turbocharging your heart to igniting your metabolism, cycling for even a few minutes is one of the simplest ways to unlock your best self. Stick around, because you'll be amazed at the powerful benefits cycling can bring to your life. 1. Your heart becomes a powerhouse. Let's start with the engine of your body, your heart. Cycling is a cardio workout, and even 5 minutes of pedaling gets your heart pumping. Over time, this strengthens your heart muscle, improves circulation, and lowers your resting heart rate. This means your heart doesn't have to work as hard, even when you're not cycling. Here's a shocking fact. People who cycle regularly, even for short durations, have a 50% lower risk of developing heart disease. That's like cutting your chances of a heart attack in half. And let's not forget, better circulation means more oxygen-rich blood flowing to your brain, muscles, and skin. Yes, cycling even gives you that healthy glow. 2. Your brain gets a mental boost. Feeling stressed, foggy, or overwhelmed? Jump on your bike. Cycling for just 5 minutes can instantly improve your mood. It releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that reduce stress and anxiety. It also boosts serotonin, a key player in keeping depression at bay. Here's the kicker. Studies show that regular cycling improves memory and focus, and it even helps prevent cognitive decline as you age. Imagine keeping your brain sharp with just 5 minutes of pedaling a day. So next time you're stuck on a problem or need a creativity boost, grab your bike and ride. It's like hitting the refresh button on your brain. 3. You burn calories without even trying. Think 5 minutes isn't enough to make a difference. Think again. Even at a moderate pace, cycling burns about 50-70 calories in just 5 minutes. That might not sound like much, but over time, those calories add up. Here's a fun thought. If you cycle for 5 minutes a day, you could burn over 18,000 calories in a year. That's equivalent to about 5 pounds of pure fat. Cycling also revs up your metabolism, so you keep burning calories even after you've stopped pedaling. It's like giving your body a little fat-burning gift every day. 4. Your joints thank you. Do your knees crack when you climb stairs, or do you feel stiffness after sitting for too long? Cycling might be the perfect solution. Unlike running, which can put a lot of stress on your joints, cycling is low impact. This means it's gentle on your knees, hips, and ankles, while still giving your muscles a great workout. Here's something surprising. Even people with arthritis or joint pain report less discomfort after taking up cycling. Think of it as WD-40 for your joints. So whether you're recovering from an injury or just want to keep your joints healthy as you age, cycling is a smart choice. 5. Your legs transform into powerhouses. 5 minutes of cycling might not feel like much, but your legs are working harder than you think. Over time, you'll notice stronger calves, quads, hamstrings, and even glutes. These are the powerhouse muscles that support your entire body. And here's a bonus. Cycling builds endurance, so those short rides will eventually make climbing stairs, walking, and even standing for long periods easier. So don't be surprised when your friends start asking about your secret leg workout. 6. Your immune system gets a boost. Want to stay healthy year-round? Cycling for even 5 minutes a day can give your immune system the boost it needs. Regular exercise stimulates the production of immune cells that fight off infections, viruses, and even chronic diseases. Here's an eye-opener. Studies show that moderate daily exercise like cycling reduces your risk of catching a cold by up to 40%. Who needs medicine when you have a bike? Plus, cycling outdoors exposes you to fresh air and sunlight, both of which contribute to a stronger immune system. 7. Your energy levels skyrocket. Feel tired all the time? Believe it or not, cycling for just 5 minutes can actually increase your energy levels. By getting your blood flowing and your muscles moving, cycling combats fatigue and keeps you feeling more alert throughout the day. Here's a quick challenge. Try cycling for 5 minutes every morning for a week and see how much more productive you become. You'll be amazed. It's like trading 5 minutes for a full day of vitality. Sounds like a great deal, doesn't it? 8. You build a stronger core without realizing it. Cycling isn't just about your legs. Every time you pedal, you engage your core muscles to stabilize your body. This helps tone your abs and improve your posture over time. Here's a little known fact. A strong core can reduce back pain and make everyday movements, like bending and lifting, much easier. So, while it might not feel like an ab workout, cycling secretly works your midsection too. 9. You become happier and more confident. Cycling isn't just good for your body, it's great for your mind. The combination of physical activity, fresh air, and the sense of accomplishment you get from pedaling boosts your confidence and overall happiness. Want to know the best part? Cycling can even strengthen your social connections. Whether you join a group ride or explore new places with friends, it's a fantastic way to meet people and share experiences. At the end of the day, cycling gives you more than just physical benefits, it brings joy to your life. So, there you have it, proof that just 5 minutes of cycling a day can lead to a healthier, stronger, and happier you. The best part? It's fun, it's easy, and it fits into even the busiest schedule. What are you waiting for? Get on your bike and start pedaling your way to a better life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips. See you next time. Thanks for watching.